Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete App Store purchase history on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently purchased something on the App Store and if you want to see the purchase history, or if you want to delete or clear that purchase history on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply go to settings here, and here you have simply click on general. And after that, what you have to do, you have scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to see the purchase history, then there are two options available. The first one is that you have to simply go to the App Store, and here you have to simply click on that profile or name or Apple ID, and you have to simply click on purchase history. So here you will find all the history related to your purchase. So here you can simply find all of your purchase history. So you can simply click on filters so that you can simply see which of the history you want to see. If you want to see your paid purchase history, or you want to see the free purchase you have done on the App Store. So you have to simply make sure about that. So in this way you can simply select the options. If you want to see the paid purchase history, then you can simply select that. And if you want to see the free, then you can simply, if you want to see the both, then there are also options available. So you have to simply click on that filter, and after that few seconds all of the history will be available. So if you want to see only paid purchase history, then there is also option available. Because recently I do not have purchased any free apps or purchase done on the App Store. So there is no option available for the free purchase paid purchase history. So you have to simply make sure about that. Moreover, you can also change the date, on which date you want to see the purchase history, or how many days you want to see the purchase history. So in this way you can simply change the filters for that settings. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.